Tip 43. Which? Which color do you prefer? Colors: white, red, green, yellow, blue, brown, purple, pink, orange, gray, black. Important: US, gray, UK, gray. Which color is your car? My car is orange. Which one do you prefer? I love the green one. Which color is your office chair? It's black. Which color is the sea? Right now, it's deep blue. Tip 43. Exercise. Answer: red. Which color had he chosen? He had chosen the red color. Which color had he loved? He had loved the red color. Which color did she use for the sofa? She used the red color for the sofa. Which card had he given to her? He had given red card to her. Which car did she drive? She drove the red one. Crossword: brown shoes, purple sky, yellow rose, red card, black beans, green tea, light gray, orange, blue car, white paper, pink dress,